Hey everybody, welcome back to Mike's Wooden Things and Stuff. This week's video is another clipped out song from an old live show from back in November of last year. I just wanted to start by introducing the song and tell you a little bit about it because I think it's important what it means. It talks about, we all know that there is this often self-imposed or socially imposed or societally imposed sense that men especially, but people in general, when they are struggling emotionally or mentally, should just like suck it up and fight through it and be tougher and rub some dirt on it and get back in the game. And we all know that that's bullshit. And we often hear that it's okay to reach out for help. But what we don't often hear talked about is how important it is for people to be available when others reach out. And so that's what this song is about. It's about encouraging people to reach out when you're struggling, but also it's kind of a story about being available and being open and being willing to be there when somebody wants to reach out. That's all I wanted to do. I just wanted a quick introduction for the song. This is Left of the Seagull. I wrote it about 3-ish years ago. And this is the live version that I played for it on a live show last November, which, by the way, I do live show every Saturday night, approximately 5:45 Pacific time. So, thanks for watching. We'll see you next week. I hope you enjoy the song. Let me know down in the comments. All right. Do it. Past Mike. See you guys later.
The echoes of your footsteps are keeping me awake. With a questioning stare, the kindness of strangers is putting me to sleep. I would like to share it with you, But you're hurt and you're tired and you're down, you're out and you're broken. But you know where to find me. Left of the seagull, to the right of the sea. The echoes of your footsteps call me in the night, recalling the days, the cold of the sun and the warmth of the ice, divining enslavement of you. But you're hurt and you're tired and you're down and you're out and you're broken. But you know where to find me. Left of the seagull, to the right of the sea, to the right of the sea. Even if you're hurt and you're tired and you're down and you're out and you're broken, please know where to find me. To the left of the Seagull, to the right of the sea. Come on and find me. Come on and find me. To the left of the Seagull, to the right of the sea.